everyone, it's Kezzie over here and welcome to my corner. If you're new here, my name is Kezia and this is my corner, like I said. I would love it if you would join my lovely family if you haven't already, and I wish to say thank you to those of you who are returning back to my channel to watch yet another video of mine. I'm so grateful. So today's video is a very exciting one, and one that I never thought I would film. I received a PR package from Revolution, and you could only imagine my face when I received that box and when I opened it and like saw the pamphlet and like saw the products. I was like mind blown. I'm so grateful. Obviously this would never be possible without you all, so I just wish to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. We have been actually online for 6 years. Can you believe it? Like 6 years. I've been doing Kezzie's Corner for 6 years. And here I am unboxing and reviewing Revolution because they sent me a package. It's just amazing. It's just egg. It's like egg. I feel seen and I feel like thankful, and like I said, I couldn't have done this without you guys. So thank you so very much. And I just wish to say thank you to Revolution as well for giving me this beautiful opportunity to test out their products on my channel. It truly means the world to me. Okay, so fangirling moment over, and we're just going to go into today's video. So I will be doing a matte versus glow edition. Basically, I'll be showing you the Conceal and Define foundation and the Conceal and Glow foundation, and they're going to go head to head today on my channel. So if you want to see who I thought was a champion, then keep on watching. And yeah, basically half of my face is with one foundation and half of it is with the other. Can you guess which foundation is which? Let me know in the comments down below. Just going to jump straight into today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up if you want, and if you want to subscribe, it would mean the world to me as well. You can subscribe. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So let's begin. So as I told you, I received this box, which I was so surprised by, and basically this is what it had. It's always "you are the Revolution" side. Well, let me show you what we have because I am still a bit shooked. I open the box and I find this little pamphlet over here, which I was bewildered with. Is that how you say it? Bewildered? And it says matte versus glow. So basically these are the Conceal and Define foundation and then the Conceal and Glow foundation. I have tried these foundations out and I've kind of already, I know I love them both. I have a video of each of them and leave them linked. Basically today what we're going to do is we're going to do half our face one foundation and half our face the other foundation. And I was kindly gifted these foundations, so thank you so much to Makeup Revolution. I don't know what to say. I'm so grateful, and I was so beyond surprised. And when I like went and picked up the package and like opened it, I was like, what? So I'm really happy. I was really happy, and I'm so grateful. So thank you so very much. I cannot believe sort of that this happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my left side and your right side the Conceal and Glow, and then my right side, your left side, the Conceal and Define. You get me? You get me. Hopefully I like put a text which will make it easier for you guys. We have the Conceal and Define foundation. They sent over 3 shades and I'm like so flabbergasted right now. I don't know if that word exists. I'm usually a shade F4, so that is the shade I'm going to use. This one, it comes in the doe foot applicator, and this is the only thing that I would change. But now I notice that they actually have a pump that you can order online and you can change it with the pump. So that's pretty cool as well. So let's begin. So it says over here, looking for a full coverage demi matte foundation that doesn't crease. Introducing the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This bad boy has an oil-free, breathable formula that seamlessly blends out for streak-free application. Offering a buildable coverage and available in 50 shades, this inclusive foundation is designed to suit all skin types and tones. The long-lasting creamy texture dries down into a demi-matte finish, and the oil-free formula prevents the foundation from setting into fine lines or clinging to dry patches. A sleek, soft and smooth base. What's not to love? Apply the foundation using the doe foot applicator and blend out using a synthetic brush or a damp blending sponge. For added staying power, finish with a setting powder and fixing spray to lock your makeup in place all day. So you're seeing, guys, how good the foundation is. Like, this foundation covered all of my spots and you saw how little I applied. So a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to apply so much product. What I do usually is, since this was the first time I used it, I kind of applied a doe foot applicator straight on my skin. But because I'm a bit of like a bacteria freak, what I would do then for the next time is I would apply the doe foot applicator on my palm, get the sponge, and then I would apply it all over my face. That's how I usually apply the Conceal and Define foundation. But oh my days, this looks amazing and I'm so in love with it. I've never actually compared the two together, so this will be very interesting for me. So let's do that. So over here we have the Conceal and Glow foundation. We have it here. We don't want that here. It's relatively new. If I'm not mistaken, they released it this year. I forgot to say that I actually primed my face using this. This is the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Whip Primer. I forgot to say that. I actually primed. I chose this because it's like a pore clearing primer, and I didn't want to use one which was glowing or one which was matte. So for the Conceal and Glow, I also used the shade F4. If you're looking for a buildable, dewy foundation, then you have come to the right place. Get ready to glow with Revolution Conceal and Glow Foundation. It's available in 20 shades and it's formulated with light reflecting pigments. This foundation will help give the illusion of a glow from within. This buildable foundation has been pumped with brightening vitamin C for the ultimate skin-loving radiant finish. Simply apply the foundation to your skin and blend out to watch your skin appear effortlessly illuminated, brighter and gorgeously glowing. What are you doing? Go try it for yourself. So following your skincare routine, we love the vitamin C collection. They say prime the skin with the Fix and Glow primer. Leave that to absorb into the skin before applying your perfect shade of Conceal and Glow foundation. Build your coverage to suit your preference for an extra glow and flawless finish. Complete the look with your favorite highlighter and fix in place with the Fix and Glow fixing spray. Okay, so this is basically it. So we have half the side which is with the Conceal and Define and half the side with the Conceal and Define and half the side with the Conceal and Glow. Okay, so personally, yeah, you see sort of that this is like a demi-matte and then this is a bit more glowy in itself. I feel like the Conceal and Define did conceal better. I have to like fix around my nose. Kind of like both finishes, I kind of feel like I applied way too much Conceal and Glow because I kind of forgot that we're only applying for half the face. I feel like, even just looking at it, even the viewfinder, I feel like that the Conceal and Define like conceals better. Like even my under eyes, as you can see, sort of like it concealed much better than the Conceal and Glow. I think this one is like sort of more like lightweight, I feel. I think this side, the Conceal and Glow, is more lightweight. But for coverage, I mean, they both did very well. But I think Conceal and Define always beats the Conceal and Glow in one way or another. Like, obviously, it looks healthier then. Like, my skin looks healthier here than it does here. Like, over here, it looks like I have makeup on, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I don't know. Over here, it looks, like, healthier. So, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have two concealers. I have the Conceal and Define concealer, the super size one, and then I have the Conceal and Hydrate one right here. And I'm going to actually put the Conceal and Define concealer on this side and then the Conceal and Hydrate concealer on this side. But I think I should like blend that in immediately, right? Okay, so that is the Conceal and Define concealer applied. I absolutely love this concealer. It's like still a holy grail of mine. I mean, look at that. It's just amazing. And now I'm just going to apply the Conceal and Hydrate. I think the doe foot applicator is slightly bigger. I don't know, am I wrong? Absolutely love that. The Conceal and Define concealer does kind of like win at that as well. That is the concealer done as well. Oh my god, my base looks absolutely amazing. Now, sort of for like powder to set it, I will just set my under eyes. I will set this side of my face. I won't set this side. I love this one. This is the I Heart Revolution, the coconut baking powder. Absolutely love this powder. So I'm just gonna lightly set it, I think. Yeah, lightly. I'll just set my concealer for my Conceal and Glow side. So my forehead and a bit my chin. But apart from that, I ain't gonna set anything else. That's basically the face done. Oh, absolutely, I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. Like both sides I'm in love with, but for some reason, like the healthier side looks like the Conceal and Glow, and then sort of the more covered looks more like the Conceal and Define, I feel. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm filming another video as I'm filming this, but just for this video I just wanted to dedicate like literally the matte versus glow like competition over here, like the heat. So that is what I wanted to focus on in this video. Which side do you guys think is best? I don't know. So I'm going to finish my makeup look and we'll be right back to see it even like with the finished makeup look as well.
A few moments later.
So we're back, and over here we have our Conceal and Define side, and then over here we have the Conceal and Glow side. I absolutely love both sides. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to zoom you in, and I'm going to reduce the light because you actually see the full potential of these foundations in reality. I absolutely love the Conceal and Define foundation. Like if I had met that foundation when I was younger, I would have married it because I had struggled a lot with like scarring and acne and stuff like that. And it does like conceal quite a bit. Now I learned how to be proud with the scars that I am in. So yes, scars are what makes us beautiful. And then we have the Conceal and Glow. It is not as full coverage, I feel, as the Conceal and Define. However, it does a good job as well. Like I feel like my skin is more natural on this side rather than on this side. I feel like this side is like very airbrushed and then over here it's like very natural. So I do wish to say that. But like absolutely love this. Like even my under eyes are very nice. What I noticed is that on this side it's like beautiful, but then over here we have a bit of creasing going on. So yeah, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, but overall, like both these foundations, like where are they? Both these foundations are absolute bargains, and I do recommend these foundations a lot. I absolutely love this. Like, oh, wait a second. Put them on the wrong side. I'm so sorry, guys. It should go like this. But I absolutely love them. Like if I had to choose between one or two, I don't know. I would choose both because I love them both. But I love this like if I want like a very flawless look. And then I would want this if I want something lighter and more glowy and healthier as well. Comment down below which side you like the best. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, you give it a thumbs up if you want. And subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! And oh, before I go, I just wish to say thank you again to Revolution because I was never expecting this, and I just wish to say thank you for giving me this beautiful opportunity to do this competition between the matte versus glow. So I hope I did a good job, and I'm very happy with the result as well because both foundations are bomb. Thank you so much to Revolution, and thank you as well to you guys because obviously without you guys this wouldn't be possible. So yeah, bye!